Welcome to the channel. This is Michael Tharp EDU. It starts with you. I just released my Zeta airdrop video, and I'm going to actually farm another wallet. So I've changed my VPN just to be safe, and I'm going to see if I can get a cleaner video now that I know what I'm doing. So you're going to come into the description of the video and click here to get started. This will give you extra points. I'm going to assume you already have a Rabby wallet. I have a step-by-step video on how to do that on my channel if you don't. Okay, so I'm going to accept this invite for 2,000 extra points, so confirm the acceptance. Sign and create that and confirm. All right, you've accepted it. All right, you're going to be in Rabby, and Zeta is already here. Okay, you don't have to add it or do anything like you do in MetaMask. So I've already sent some Zeta here, 20 Zeta here, just $49. So you don't need a lot of money to do this. If you don't have Zeta, you just go to Zeta Hub and then go to gas top up. Search for Zeta, and then you could just add $20 or $50. The fee is a little crazy. So, well, it's $4 for 24. For 50, it's $10, and for 100, it's $20. So you can get it right there, or you can go to an exchange that has it. Most of them you have to use a VPN for. Okay, so let's get started. Let's enroll in Zeta XP. All right, so you can invite friends. Okay, so then you're going to get this code that you can click to copy to send to people. All right, send Zeta in Zeta chain. Let's send it to the BSC. Let's just do one. Oh yeah, they charge a high fee for this. I don't understand why. I'm not even really sure if that's really being taken out. But again, we're here to qualify for the airdrop, so we got to spend a little money to make money. Okay, done with that. And these will take a little bit to say that they're done. All right, receive Zeta in Zeta chain. So now we can do what we did. We're going to send what we sent to Binance. We're going to send to Zeta. So that's the max Zeta I have. So let's just do 0.5. And we'll switch to the Binance Smart Chain. So you can see right there, we're in Binance Smart Chain now. So we're going to send that Zeta we sent to the Binance Smart Chain now. Actually, I don't think I have any BNB in this wallet. Oh, good, I do. So if you didn't, you would need to put a little BNB in that same wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. And you guys could see I have that Zeta on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so this popped up. Confirm that. Okay, that is done. Took about a minute. Okay, so we got those two done. LP any core pool. So I'm going to use Zoomy Finance. Okay, it popped up. I don't know if I wasn't on the chain or what. So we're going to swap some Zeta for some more BNB. swap success. So we'll come back to Zeta Hub, and we're going to LP Zeta and BNB. So for some reason, this didn't recognize that I had these, so I just went back and came back in. So if these two aren't green, maybe just refresh or give it a minute. So now that it sees I have Zeta and BNB on Zeta chain, I can deposit my liquidity. Let's do max for the BNB, and we'll review the deposit, allow it. So anytime you interact with a smart contract the first time, you're going to first approve the smart contract and then actually move your tokens. Okay, so those were approved, and then we're going to confirm the deposit. All right, that was successful. And then we're going to stake our LP tokens. We'll click max and review stake. We'll allow the stake. Okay, so the LP tokens were approved. Now we're going to confirm our stake. And so remember, guys, this is, less than a penny. So it's not a big deal that we're doing all these transactions. Okay, we are now earning. Congrats, you've staked your Zeta BNB LP and are now earning rewards. We'll click done. That'll show up here in just a minute. Oh, yep, it's already there. All right, and obviously invite friends is the next one. So look down below in this video to get your link like this one and get an extra 2000 XP. All right, receive Bitcoin and receive ETH and BNB we've already done. So for these two, we're going to do here on Azumi. So Bitcoin. Let me refresh this. So we're going to swap one Zeta for a little Bitcoin. Okay, that was a success. Now we want to get some Ethereum. Okay, swap success. Come back to Zeta Hub. All right, nothing yet. Oh, there we go. So I just refreshed it. Is everything there? Yeah, this one always takes a long time. I'm not sure why. So go ahead and claim all your XP. This one just takes a while to show up. I'm not sure why, but we already did that one as well. And then you can invite more people. That's it, guys. Went really quick. And this is a much better, cleaner recording than the first one. So I'll put this one out just to get straight to the point on how to do this. All right, lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.